Good morning, students. Today, under the same series of Window Movie Maker, the topic which we're going to cover is adding effects and title to movie. So, let's proceed. First, applying transitions. So, what are transitions? Transitions are applied to add visual effects to the movie. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. Transition can be added between two images, two videos, clips, or titles. The effect range from simple faded to complicated graphical animation. So how we can apply? Step 1, click the scene or the clip is that right next to the first one on the storyboard. Step 2, click the tools menu and select animations. Step 3, click on any animation you want and the transition will be added to the video. You will notice this by when the page turning kind of designs appear right at the corner of the clip. So here in this figure you can see on the top from the animation tab, we just have to click on animation tab. There we can find different transitions and then we can select any of the transition and can check out in the preview pane. Just to apply to all the slides the same transition effects to all the slides, we just have to click on the option apply to all. Now, next is applying visual effects. So, visual effects are used to add special effects to the movies. These effects enhances the appeal of the movie. These effects includes choices for making color effects such as sepia toning to posterizing. So, how we can add? Step 1, click on Visual Effects tab. The list of effects displayed in the effect group. Now step 2 is click on more option to get more categories of visual effects, and finally click on any effect you want and the effect will be added to the video. You'll know this by an icon appear at the top right clip of the clip that indicates the presence of this effect. So from here in this figure you can see we have clicked on visual effect tab. There you can find number of effects over there, and from effect group you can select any of the effect and that will be applied to uh, on a single slide, as well as we can select the option apply to all, and we can see the changes in preview pane by clicking on play button. Next is applying titles. So basically titles are added to the beginning of the selected clip. So select the clip where you want to add the title. Click the title button present on the home tab in the ad group, and a text box will appear in the preview monitor pane. Type the text which you want to add and apply the formatting to that particular text. So from a home tab we just have to click on title. Okay, so here in this window, we have typed like 7 tutorials, and we can able to format this with the help of this format option. We can make it bold, italic, according to our wish. So we can edit the title by selecting different font styles, color schemes, and duration of the text given under the format tab. Okay, so in this video we're going to see that how we can able to apply the transition effects to our slide. So first of all we have to click on animation tab, which is given on the top, and have to select the slide even on which we have to apply transition. So click the required effect which you want to. You can click on more option also. From here you can able to find more options, and then you just have to select any one. So here I have selected dissolve and I have to click on apply to all. When I click on apply to all, this effect will be applied to all. Now here you can see the effect of turning page, like with the help of which you can able to find out that now animation effect is applied to all these slides. Then I click on play button on preview pane. I can see the changes in this. Just look at it.
If I want to change any other in between, so I can apply any other effect. Like suppose here I have selected this effect. So if I play, now you can see the different effect on this particular slide, because I have not selected apply to all option. If I select apply to all, if I select this option and click on apply to all, now you can see the change. Now that effect will be applied to all. Now if I want to apply the visual effects, so I can apply the same with the help of visual effect tab. Here you can find number of options over here. You can select any of the option. Suppose I have selected this and click on apply to all. Now you can see the change in preview pan. Along with the animation effect, you'll notice the visual effects in it. Now suppose I want to add titles. So titles can be added at the beginning of the slide. So suppose here I have to add the title. So I have to click on home tab, click on title, and here I can type the title which I want. Like suppose if I want flowers here, so I have typed it and can edit this text too. Suppose I want to change its type, so from here I have selected font style. I've changed its size even. I'll make it bold. I've changed the color, and just from here, from the effects, you can able to make the changes in effects too. Suppose here I have selected this cinematic burst 1, so selected, and now if I start playing this in preview pan, you can notice the changes.